Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Khuram. This is Sana. Today I'm going to show you how to make an exotic and super delectable dessert which will make you drool as you hear its name. Yes, it is the Pakistani fusion style modern dessert, Labi Shireen. Here in the Persian language, Lab means lips and Shireen means sweet. So it is sweet lips. Now come, let's get on to the recipe. Take 1.5 liters of milk and heat it. As it gets heated, remove about 100 ml of warm milk from the pan and mix it with 75 grams of vanilla custard powder and mix well with a whisk. See that the mixture is smooth without lumps. Keep it aside and to the hot milk add 200 grams of granulated white sugar and mix well and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix again. Now simmer the stove and slowly pour in the custard mix to the milk. Stir continuously till the mixture thickens. Once the custard starts, touching the sides of the pan, switch off the stove and transfer it to another bowl and cool it until it reaches room temperature. Now take 100 grams of unroasted regular vermicelli. Usually for this recipe, colored vermicelli is used, but I couldn't get those rainbow vermicellis, so I'm using this. Now boil 3 cups of water in a pan and add 100 grams of vermicelli and cook till it turns soft. Now they are done. Switch off the stove, remove and strain with a colander like this. Spread them well with a spatula. Now pour some room temperature water over the vermicelli so that they stop cooking further and the remaining starch will be removed from them so that they will not stick with each other. So this is the method. Now mix the strained vermicelli with the custard which has reached room temperature now. Mix it well. To this add 200 ml of beaten fresh cream and mix well. Now cover it with a lid and refrigerate it for about 4 to 5 hours. Now after 4 hours of refrigeration, we can slice the strawberry and mango flavored jellies. The jellies were prepared and set according to the instructions given in the package. You can prepare the jellies and refrigerate them as soon as you keep the custard in the refrigerator. Now they are done, keep them aside. This is a fruit cocktail. Drain the syrup and add the fruits to the chilled vermicelli custard mix. To this add 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream. These are Rasbharis, an important ingredient for this recipe. They are colored mini versions of rasgullas, Add them to this and add some diced bananas, about 5 to 6 bananas added. To this add slivered cashews, almonds followed by some pistachios and mix them well. Any dry fruits you can add, even fruits you can add of your choice. Now drop in some jellies. Mix gently. Now we can serve the Labi Shireen. Start by arranging the colored jellies at the bottom of a bowl. Pour in the custard vermicelli and some more jellies on top and place a scoop of vanilla ice cream at the center and arrange the reserved raspberries around and sprinkle some slivered almonds and pistachios and serve immediately. There you go, our super rich, delicious, heavenly dessert Labi Shireen is ready to be enjoyed. Friends, please try this recipe and write your valuable feedback to me in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like this recipe and my video, please hit a like, share this recipe with your family and friends, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of my new uploads. Meet you all in my next upload. Until then, this is Sana signing off with lots of love.